Hey, this is a really quick video about my channel logo. When I moved to Orlando, I decided I was going to do a daily vlog. That didn't really happen, but it is what you're watching right now, of course, which is Orlandave. And I put off making the channel by a few months. I wanted to get the logo right and all that, and I just kept putting it off. So that finally I just threw something together, and I made it a little bit better afterwards with making it 3D in Photoshop, but it's still a ripoff of the Universal logo. The funny thing is I didn't include the little ring around it because I didn't want to copy it too much, and I didn't know how to do it. And since then, Universal has actually removed that ring anyway. But I have contacted several sellers on Fiverr to come up with a better design. Their designs are awful. So now I'm asking all of you who watch my channel, and thank you for doing so, if you can come up with something that would represent all of the things I show on Orlandave. A lot of it is Universal, but not all of it is. And I just don't want to rip off someone else's logo. So leave a comment below if you have any ideas. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and please exit through the gift shop. Is it that way? Is it that way? I don't know.